simple advocacy but has a very big impact in this society. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the real problem in this world is not the climate change or the heat index that we are facing right now. But I believe the real problem in this world is us because of our ignorance and apathy. So that's why we have to do to start changing our ways by recalibrating our mind and redirecting our thoughts. Because together, as a global community, our micro effort will have a macro effect to save our home, our planet, our future, to have a better place to live in. And always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that us cannot live without Mother Earth, but our Mother Earth will live without us. Thank you so much.